All right, everybody, this is the second installment of Dad TDM, where I can't beat him, so I join him, and I make YouTube videos of me playing old school Nintendo games. You ready? So today we're going to play starring Little Mac and his trainer, Doc Lewis, Mike Tyson's Punch-Out. Here we go.
Aren't you gonna make the bed?
We're going to start with Glass Joe.
Dad, is that an orange?
There he is. Look at him. He's so trepidatious, poor little fella. He's scared of me. And he should be. Look how big I am. Oh, wait. I'm tiny. And look at his armpit. And his one eye gets way up, like in the corner of his head for some reason, too.
And
I don't get it.
His armpit has a hole. He must have surgery. Hey, Dad, Glass.
He does. He has.
He has bad.
Hello, Glass Joe.
Dad, how do you know that?
I'm kidding. I was just making that up. Actually, I didn't make it up. I was just agreeing with Titus. Yeah, you can have a cookie. Oh no, he's mad as a hornet. This X button isn't working very well. What's wrong with this thing?
Yeah, it's going slow.
Goodbye, Glass Joe. Oh, I got it good. Stay down, punk. Stay. Oh no, he's getting up, and oh, look at him. He's moving his right arm. That means he's angry as a hornet's nest.
Hey, Dad, did he hit you? It was like. Did you see his face?
The X button quit working on me. Come on, X button. Come on. Now the Y button, Z button's not working either. This is not good, guys. Come on, don't stand there. Look at me.
Dad, he only has 2 lives.
Goodbye, Glass. Goodbye. Look at him. Oh, I want to stay up, but I can't. I'm falling. Oh, only a 1 count. Come on. Glass, I can beat you, buddy. You can't hit me. Work buttons? What is wrong with these buttons? They're not working for jack squat.
That squat? No way.
Jack squat. Oh, listen, Mac. Dodge his punch, then counter punch. Oh, this is my last match. I'm too old for fighting. Look at his face. He's all sad. Poor little fella.
Yeah, and he's clapping like this.
He's like, oh, timid. Oh, just make it quick. Tear the Band-Aid off fast.
It is a Band-Aid.
No, it's a figure of speech. Like, if you got to go through something painful, just do it quick so it gets over with. The buttons won't work. Uh-oh, what am I doing?
Dad, you don't get a rage. Maybe you're not clicking the right button.
There he goes. Yeah, I can't believe it. I'm on round 2. This is not good.
Already, that's not.
These buttons aren't working for nothing. What's wrong with them? Have you guys been breaking them? Look at that. I'm hitting X and it won't do anything. Takes forever. He actually hit me? You filth.
Again.
Hey, Dad, why is Glass soap does pink?
Why is he so pink? He needs a suntan. Uh-oh.
Dad, Dad, when he blocks, it's like this.
Are you gonna have to get around 3?
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Glass. Little glass face.
TKO.
These buttons are just not working. I don't know what's going on here.
I thought you were gonna beat the winner.
Yeah.
Glass
Yeah.
was the hardest guy in the game.
Von Kaiser, boys. Von Kaiser, he's German. He's the Kaiser.
Dad,
What?
you're gonna make everybody be annoyed by you.
No, he's German.
They're already all annoyed by him.
Look at him. E? Come on, little shaky head boy. Come on, shaky head boy. Come on, you can do it.
Mr. Saki?
Boop. Oh, look at that little Glass. No, that's not Glass. That's Von Kaiser. What am I thinking? All right, come on, let's get him up. When he goes, you can use the super punches, and he's gone. Watch
I've never
this.
been able to get him. That's rock, rock, rock.
All you do is you got to hit him once, and then he goes.
You
A minute
already
and 10
win.
seconds. I already beat him. Oh, it's glorious. It's glorious. Look how exuberant I am down there.
Dad, he's taunting you and he goes like, mop, mop, mop.
Yeah, he is. He's like, come on, come on. Well, the one guy, this next guy, no, who am I fighting next? It's Piston Honda. He may beat me, guys, because these buttons aren't working for nothing. I don't know what you did to these buttons, boys, but they ain't working.
Piston Honda.
You aren't Southern.
He's giant. He's a beast. No, he's not. He's ugly.
He's a beat?
Beast.
Oh.
Hi, my tie.
What is he, giant or something? You can only punch his neck.
Dad, when can I make my YouTube video, Dad?
Giddy, we're not in the middle of this, bud.
I know, you're in the middle of a Dad TDM video.
That's right.
You're gonna make a
Now the
lot of
buttons are working. What's going on with this? It's working fine. Oh, Piston. Can I get him? Can I get him?
Pistol Honda.
Oh, I might have knocked him out completely, guys. Just look. No, I guess not.
He got him.
1 second.
No, he held back all the way up right then.
Oh!
Look down.
Look at him, he's down.
You're being loud.
For 2 seconds. Yay.
1, 2, maybe the third one. Actually, no. You're gonna kill him. Well, no, you're not gonna kill him.
Well, knock him out is what you mean.
Remember the technique I taught you, switch hands.
You already defeated Piston Honda.
Already, it was a title bat and I won in 1 round. 2 minutes and 11 seconds.
2 minutes and 11 seconds. That's not much long.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new champion. Great fighting. You won by TKO. What's up, Giddy?
For my intro, for my picture, Dad, I actually want to like draw on a loaf of bread. What? It's blue.
Draw on a loaf of bread. Or maybe you could use like one of those pieces of sourdough that's up there.
Dad,
Almost
Dad,
done.
what is?
I'm gonna call it.
Dad, why is
I'm gonna make it moldy.
We're making video.
Hey, Dad, why is he running for the bike?
He's pulling him on a rope, apparently. That's how it was in the Rocky movie. I think it was. Passkey 005. Push start. All right. Oh, Don Flamenco.
Oh, this
Mr.
guy.
One Punch Wonder.
This guy's weird.
He's from Britain, I
Rose in his mouth. He's jumping in.
think. What kind of country does that for a dance?
Don Flamenco, is he French?
No, I think that's Spanish.
Yeah, he's Spanish.
He's Spanish?
Yeah, he's from Spain.
Hey,
The
Dad.
key is alternating punches on this guy, and he never... Uh-oh, I messed it up.
Hey, Dad, the floor is green.
The floor is green.
And you're blue.
All right, this might be my last guy.
He's a glasso. He does like glasso.
Dad, wait. Dad, while he's trying, after he punches you, just hit him in the stomach, and then you can get one of those point things.
I don't need a point thing. Watch, you just do alternating punches,
Yeah, but
and he's gone.
Yeah.
Knocked him out. 51 seconds. Yay! All right, guys, this is Dad TDM signing off. Hey, hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, just like and subscribe. And if you want a notification when I make a new video, click the little bell.
Adios.
Adios.